Let's talk about the Haloview BT11 backup camera and dash cam combo. And I love this thing. I don't know about you, Mama, but I love this thing. You can see the rear view, or I don't know why you'd be looking at the dash cam view on its own, or both, split screen. And what is really great about it is that it's got blind spot alerting, and we'll just wait till the vehicle comes up, and it's really amazing. So far so good. We're like on the 5th day of using it. It's been a lifesaver. We'll be having a conversation, all of a sudden beep beep, there's somebody passing us. I would highly recommend it, compared to other rear cameras systems, but now your screen is on the dash. This one is the shape of the mirror, and it clips to the mirror, so it doesn't crowd the dash. So that's a big benefit for us, because we had all kinds of screens here between tire pressure manager, the RV GPS, and then we had the backup camera. We have all our lights, solar lights being charged there. The dash was getting very cluttered, so this was a godsend. And I got the idea. It's not for me. If you want to see a full review of the BT11 Haloview, go to Love Your RV. Ray has a great video